recognition to some of our supporters, some of GAFO's supporters. As I indicated earlier, GAFO would not be able to hold this event without the efforts of volunteers, people who are donating their time. At this point, I'd like to call Jose Alvarado to the stage, who has graciously hosted us in this beautiful venue. So Jose from Casa Honduras, please come to the stage. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you, Jose. Thank you.
Mr. Jose Alvarado. And here is a proclamation from the city of Los Angeles. It says, Mr. Jose Alvarado, on behalf of the Ninth Council District in Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United with GAFO, in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world. Thank you for working with GAFO Garifuna Street Fest in sharing the richness of our culture. Best wishes and much success on all your future endeavors. And it's signed November the 17th, 2019 by Corin D. Price Jr., Council Member, 9th District. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jose Alvarado.
Thank you, Jose. Thank you, thank you. Gracias. Thank you. Elmar Gurriel. Elmar, are you here? Oh, okay.
All right.
We also have a small recognition for you. It's just a token of our appreciation.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Elmar Gurriel from the city of Los Angeles.
So we have one more recognition. This is for Paula Castillo. Is Paula Castillo around? I know this is a surprise for you, Paula, but we really appreciate you. We thank you. This is a big effort, flying from New York to LA.
Yes,
this is a one of a kind.
It's Paula Castillo, and it reads, on behalf of the new Ninth Council District and Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United, that's GAFO, in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world. Thank you for working with GAFO Garifuna Street Fest in sharing the richness of our culture. Best wishes and much success on all your future endeavors, Ms. Paula Castillo. And it's signed November the 17th, 2019 by Corin D. Price Jr., Council Member, 9th District.
And it also says, it's also recognizing Ms. Paula Castillo as the Garifuna Music Ambassador. Thank you. Let's give it up for Ms. Paula Castillo.
Luego debe ser. Mamuria hanumuti huma niabia hula usunugunda. Pero la regerula ni la luru dudu jagie moso nagaha budulu. Ni duhe nyugarinagu. Aba izieni lu darangilu. Gunda tunaha usungu kala chila gube orale. La duga lida wonda usungu we lida abang warufu dunye wani importancia luma vinebese lulu du jali da flasule lula subdiruni luru du la wawahi laya luga la subdiruni luru du la gadasi wa maluma ya yadagi me wa maluma ya luagu la lume wona hani ho wa duho wa gairo mama ibu du nyadi wa ya mama ge nyundu du waya ya gebegi mege wara ni lida la chilora luvidi alga wara ni la duga wa wadi ki maridu ya luma luru sereme inumoti hulbaiti lagu hachilagu sereme inahu logo never say le bungi huma kesi kuberi kunuma lu darangilo sagu we yularuga tu wadagwa isi eguni ungo darangilo